Hello, my favorite students. Welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about lesson 19. It's perimeter. Perimeter. Guys, open up your notes. Make sure you're taking notes while you listen to this video. Here is what you need to write down for your notes. Perimeter of any figure. Add up all the sides. Finding the perimeter, we just have to add up all of the sides of whatever that figure is, whatever type of polygon, right, it is, using language from our last lesson. So make sure you've written that down in your notes. If you're following along, I'm on page 99. I'm looking at example number 3. Find the perimeter of this polygon. And guys, this polygon is kind of weird shape, but I'm going to show you an easier way to figure this out. This is 11, this is 8, this is 4, this is 5, and then I don't have anything down there. Okay, so if I were to take a look at this guy, right, I would see that that I'm missing some sides, right? In order to find the perimeter, you have to add up all the sides, but you have to first have the sides. I'm missing this side right here, and I'm missing this one right here. Well, imagine an elevator lifts this guy up here, right? Elevator lifts this edge up here, and now it is right here. That means that's 4, right? That means from here to here is 8 plus 4, which is 12. So this thing right here, that's 12, okay? Which means that, if that's 12, that's what this is right here, okay? So that's how you can kind of imagine like popping this out, right? So basically what we did is we took this guy right here and we popped it out this way. Same idea for here, we're gonna pop that out this way. Right there. Okay, we know that this whole thing is 11, and we know that because this side is 11. So that way we know this is 11. Well, if I have 11, 5 plus 6 would give us a total of 11, right? So we know that this guy right here is 6 because I've popped it out from here. Hopefully that's making a little bit of sense. If it isn't, grab some string or thread or something like that. Make this shape out and imagine pushing this thing. If I pushed it and popped it out right into that corner, I would have a full square, right? It would be 12 by 11 by 12 by 11. So 12 plus 12 plus 11 plus 11 equals 24 plus 22, which equals 66. 4, 5, 6, no, 46. 46. We are talking perimeter, you need to use units. So this says dimensions are in feet, so you just say feet. Okay, so 46 feet. So guys, that's basically the way to find perimeter if you don't have those given sides, but you need to make sure that you find the length of all those sides. So let's look. The perimeter of a square is 48 feet. How long is each side of the square? The perimeter of a square. Well, what do we know about a square? It's a regular quadrilateral, right? Regular polygon, quadrilateral. That means all the sides are the same. So this guy plus this guy plus this guy plus this guy all add up, x plus x plus x plus x equals, in this case, 48 feet. So how many x's do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 x's equals 48 feet. Now, if I need to multiply 4 by something to get 48, right? So I'm going to divide just so we can see that, okay? These guys cancel out. We get 48 divided by 4, that's going to be 12 feet. So, and let's just double check our work. If we go here, we have 12, 24, 36, 48, indeed. So really, if you're given the perimeter for a square, you just need to divide it by 4 because those sides are all the same. All right, so Ray wants to fence in some grazing land for his sheep. It looks like this. I'm on page 100, 175, 250, 202, and 150. Well, guys, the rule for perimeter is add up all the sides. I'm going to use this other pen. I think that'll be better. Add up all the sides. So we've got 250 and 150. Well, the 50s make 100. 1, 2, 3, and then the 50s make that 100, so 4. So this plus this is 400. 175 plus 200 would be 375 plus 2 more, 75, 76, 77. So 377. The 777 feet. Make sure you have your units on there, okay, guys? All right, the practice problems are on page 100, about halfway down. Go ahead and pause the video and give those a shot, and then come on back and we'll do those together. All right, so for A, what's the perimeter of that quadrilateral? Right here, you see it's 3, 3, 2, and 5. Well, 3 and 3 is 6, plus 5 is 11, plus 2 more is 13. So for A, adding all that up, showing your work looks like this. 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 5 equals 13 feet. All right, what is the perimeter of this regular polygon for B? Regular means all the sides are the same. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides that are 5 centimeters each. So 5 centimeters times 5 equals 25 centimeters. Guys, you have to have your units and you have to share your work on these, okay? All right, what is the perimeter of this hexagon for C? I will say that drawing out these guys makes it a little bit easier. So draw it out, especially if you see me drawing it, you should probably be drawing it too. And of course, these are not to scale. So this is 2, this is inches, we're talking inches. 4, 5, and 10. Again, let's imagine we take this guy and we pop it out right to here. Right, we pop this guy all the way out to here. Well, this is 10 down here. This is 4 plus 6 would give us 10, right? This is all 5 because it's 5 right here. So 4 plus 3 would give us 5. So you can see that it is 10 by 5 by 10 by 5. So 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 5 gives us 30. So that's 20, 25, 30. All right, guys. McGregor has 100 feet of wire fence that he plans to surround a square garden. He has 100 feet. Guys, a square has to have all the same side. So if we have a perimeter of, this is for E, 100 feet, and we divide that by 4 sides, we get 25 feet of wire per side. Per side. Make sure you're answering the question, okay? All right, guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, that is perimeter in a nutshell. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.